Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P2DE0 indicates a freezing condition in the cold start air-fuel ratio control system of the Honda CR-V 2023 and newer models. This code reveals that the actual air-fuel ratio in the engine is too lean compared to the ratio commanded by the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. When the PCM detects this discrepancy, it recognizes an abnormality and stores the code, prompting a series of diagnostic checks. The air-fuel ratio is critical for ensuring optimal engine performance, fuel efficiency, and emissions control. A lean mixture can lead to various engine performance issues, including poor acceleration, increased emissions, and engine overheating. Proper diagnosis is crucial to address this issue effectively and restore the vehicle's performance, thereby ensuring smooth and efficient operation. DTC P2DE0 signifies that the engine's actual air-fuel ratio is too lean, which means there's not enough fuel compared to the amount of air entering the engine. This abnormal condition is identified by the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, which is responsible for managing engine performance and efficiency. The PCM constantly monitors various parameters, including the air-fuel mixture, through sensors such as the mass airflow MAF sensor and the air-fuel AF sensor. These components are generally located in the intake air system of the engine. A lean mixture can cause serious performance issues, including difficulty in starting the engine, poor fuel economy, and increased emissions. Overall, identifying and repairing the underlying issue behind this DTC is crucial for maintaining vehicle performance and regulatory compliance. DTC P2DE0 can stem from various potential issues affecting the engine's air-fuel mixture. A faulty mass airflow MAF sensor or intake air temperature IAT sensor can fail to provide accurate readings to the PCM, leading to an improper fuel mixture. Additionally, leaks in the evap canister purge line could introduce unwanted air into the intake system, which can also contribute to a lean condition. Blockages or malfunctions in the positive crankcase ventilation PCV system can disrupt airflow and result in lean conditions as well. Moreover, issues with the fuel feed line can restrict fuel delivery, while a damaged air-fuel sensor can incorrectly determine the air-fuel ratio, compounding the problem. Therefore, it's critical to consider all these components when diagnosing and troubleshooting DTC P2DE0. The symptoms associated with DTC P2DE0 are typically indicative of a compromised engine operation state. One of the first signs may be difficulty in starting the engine, especially in cold conditions. Drivers may also notice decreased engine performance, which can manifest as sluggish acceleration and reduced responsiveness. Furthermore, a lean air-fuel ratio leads to increased emissions, which could trigger a warning light on the dashboard, indicating that the vehicle is not meeting emission standards. In severe cases, an engine overheating issue may arise, stemming from a poor combustion process. Lastly, a noticeable decline in fuel economy can affect the owner's budget, making it crucial to address this DTC promptly for overall vehicle health. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2DE0 involves cooling the engine down to a temperature reading of 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 degrees Celsius or lower, as measured by the Honda Diagnostics System HDS, using the Engine Coolant Temperature ECT sensor. This is crucial, as performing diagnostic checks on a warm or hot engine may yield misleading data. Once the engine has cooled, you'll want to start it and allow it to idle for a minimum of 10 seconds. During this idling period, close monitoring of the ECT sensor readings will help determine if the engine is functioning correctly in relation to its commanded air-fuel ratio. Any abnormalities in these readings during this preliminary check can guide further diagnostics for more specific issues contributing to the lean air-fuel mixture. The second troubleshooting step focuses on a detailed inspection of several key components involved in air-fuel control. Begin by checking the mass airflow MAF sensor and the intake air temperature IAT sensor for any signs of malfunction, as damaged or dirty sensors can output incorrect readings. Follow this by examining the evap canister purge line for leaks, which may allow excessive air into the intake system, further disrupting the air-fuel balance. The positive crankcase ventilation (PCV) system should also be inspected for blockages that could impact airflow. Afterward, review the fuel feed line to ensure it is free of restrictions or leaks, as they could obstruct proper fuel delivery. Finally, assess the functionality of the AF sensor to verify that it accurately measures the air-fuel ratio. Each of these components plays a significant role in maintaining proper engine operation. In the final step of troubleshooting DTC P2DE0, it's essential to evaluate the operation of the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The PCM is the brain of the vehicle's engine management system, and any faults in its function could directly affect the air-fuel ratio. Once any potential issues have been rectified, clear the DTC codes from the system using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to reset the vehicle's computer. This step allows for a fresh start to monitor the engine's behaviors. A test drive is then necessary to evaluate performance under normal operating conditions, keeping an eye out for any reoccurrence of the DTC or symptoms related to a lean air-fuel mixture. This systematic approach ensures that all underlying issues are addressed, reaffirming the vehicle's reliability. As a final verification step for repairs related to DTC P2DE0, it is essential to confirm that no diagnostic trouble codes are present in the system after completing all inspections and repairs. Utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, ensure that the system is clear of DTCs, especially those related to the air-fuel ratio. Additionally, confirm that the engine operates normally and that any previous symptoms, like hard starting or poor performance, have vanished. It's also a good practice to document all repairs made during the troubleshooting process for future reference. Finally, inform the vehicle owner of the results and any necessary recommendations for future maintenance or awareness of potential issues that may arise. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in avoiding reoccurrences of DTC P2DE0 and ensuring the longevity of the engine's performance. Regularly scheduled checks on the mass airflow MAF sensor and the intake air temperature IAT sensor can help in identifying potential issues before they escalate. Keeping a close watch on the fuel system, including the fuel feed lines and injectors, can provide early warnings of clogs or leaks. Performing regular engine diagnostics using Honda Diagnostic Systems ensures that any developing issues are caught early. Additionally, maintaining clean air filters allows for optimal airflow into the engine, significantly affecting the air-fuel mixture. Lastly, using high-quality fuel can prevent deposit buildups that impair sensor function and overall engine performance. In conclusion, DTC P2DE0 serves as a vital indicator of a lean air-fuel ratio condition in the Honda CR-V 2023 and newer models. Understanding the implications of this diagnostic trouble code is essential for effective troubleshooting and repair. Following thorough step-by-step diagnostic measures ensures that technicians can pinpoint issues accurately and resolve them efficiently. Ensuring that effective repairs are made, along with implementing preventive maintenance practices, can significantly reduce the risk of future occurrences of this DTC. Moreover, educating vehicle owners about the critical components involved in air-fuel management, enhances their comprehension, and encourages proactive maintenance. Ultimately, addressing DTC P2DE0 comprehensively contributes to improved vehicle reliability, fuel efficiency, and compliance with emission regulations. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.